What's good, all my trader and investor homies? It's your boy Kevin. This is Touchdown Trades. I'm here back in the Touchdown Trades trading bunker and studio. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a brand new penny stock taking over the social media space. Social media took over the world in the early 2000s and has continued to show growth. Everybody is using social media. You drive down the highway, look at the car next to you, and they're probably on their phone snapping a selfie or dancing to some weird TikTok song. If you were an early investor in a company like Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, you made a biggity bank. Your investment went to the moon. So we're going to be talking about a new social media penny stock that we're going to be able to take a look at its very early stages. I find this company very interesting. I think it's unique. They're doing something that the other big social media companies aren't doing. Companies like Facebook, Instagram, whatever, they're not doing what this company is doing. We're going to be breaking it all down in today's video. If you're new to the channel, we talk about the hottest stocks in the stock market every single day. So consider hitting that subscribe button. Everybody do me a big solid. Do me a big favor and go down there and like the button. Smash that like button, because remember, the like button is not our friend. If you want to get 2 free stocks from Webull, there's a link down there. That's free money valued up to $1,850 when you sign up with my link. Let's get it. Before we get started, I need to plug the private Discord chat. We bought the dip on all these growth stocks, EV, 3D printing. We got into tech while the dip was going on, and now we are sitting pretty as the stock market has rebound. Come trade with me. Get the Patreon, first link in the description. Also, time for the giveaway, baby. I said if Georgia Tech won the ACC basketball tournament, I would give away $500. So let's see who's gonna win that $500. Those C notes, baby. Here we go. 229 comments. Nathaniel Howard. He said CLSK, XL, and AYRO are his favorite stocks, and he is a Kentucky Wildcat fan. Nathaniel, I'll be getting in contact with you. Congratulations, you just won $500, my friend. Also, we're going to be doing a $1,000 bracket challenge. If you've ever done an NCAA tournament bracket, you just fill out who you think is going to win all the games, and if you win, you're going to get $1,000. I'm going to be discussing the details on that in the next video I do, which will be tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video if you want to participate in the bracket challenge. I would imagine that there's only going to be a couple hundred people max that will participate. So your odds are going to be pretty tasty, I believe, to win that $1,000. All right, let's talk about this social media penny stock. The company we're going to be breaking down is this HLLPF. All right, HLLPF is an innovative, disruptive social media company that is coming to market, or already has came to market, with this very interesting social media platform. And I do want to disclose that this is a sponsored video. I am being paid to make this video. However, I have not been told what to say, how to say it, and I really do find this company very interesting, and I think this is one that we need to take a look at. So let's break it down. First, we'll talk about the business model, how they plan to grow, and then we'll take a look at the chart, which is looking really tasty. This stock has been stupid strong. The ticker for this company for the US is HLLPF. If you live in Canada, it's going to be ticker HP. But most of us here are going to be living in the United States, so your ticker symbol will be HLLPF. Let's run this quick video that's going to describe what HLLPF does, how the social media platform works, and their business model.
Ever wonder what people around the world are like? With HelloPal, meeting and making new friends from all over the world has never been easier. For a start, see what living in other countries is like by browsing through pictures and videos posted by users and interacting with those who interest you. Want to find people from specific countries? Simply start a new chat and select your search preferences, such as country, location, age, and gender. Can't speak or understand foreign languages? No problem. Just use our built-in translation tools wherever necessary. And last but not least, interact with users in real time through live stream videos. Just join any of the live stream feeds and chat with the live streamers using text or voice. Or better still, start a live stream broadcast yourself so you can share yourself with the world live. In fact, whenever you receive virtual gifts, you are actually earning money which you can withdraw whenever you like. So wait no more. Say hello, pal, and meet the world today.
So my take on this Hello Pal is that it's kind of like a cross between Twitch, YouTube, and Instagram, and then you smack on top of that the translation features, and then it becomes its own monster. Very unique business model here, very unique platform. The company's growing, and I think they have several paths to take to increase their growth from a user standpoint, increase their growth from a revenue standpoint. The Hello Pal platform is a proprietary suite of mobile applications built on a user-friendly messaging interface that focuses on social interaction, language learning, and travel. So they're going to be targeting people who travel to different countries. Maybe they can see what restaurants are fire in the city that they're visiting. Maybe you can have pen pals if you're a kid in 7th grade and you want to talk to somebody else in a different country. That type of thing is an avenue for growth for Hello Pal. I think the ways that this company can grow are endless. We're talking about a social media company that is doing something different than the giants. We saw what happened to TikTok. They did something different and it worked out for them. It'll be interesting to see if we experience this type of growth from Hello Pal. The company has not even started running ads on the platform yet. So the revenue growth is going to come, in my opinion. And we have live streaming. Live streaming is helping the platform to grow currently, and they are seeing 10,000 plus daily live streamers using the platform. The total receipts have grossed over 8 million Canadian since the worldwide rollout. So the Moments feature, this is going to be kind of like Instagram, right? And I think the way to growth here is to charge for restaurants to advertise, local businesses to advertise. If Hello Pal realizes you're in city A, start slapping advertisements for different restaurants on the platform. Now they are kind of hesitant to start throwing ads on the platform because they want to get those users to download the app and continue to use it every day. And they're a little bit nervous that once they slap ads on the platform, it will kind of put a bad taste in the user's mouth. However, I do think they're going to need to start doing ads at some point. Sure, get that growth first. Get those users on the platform first and then start running ads. But once they do start running ads, I think the revenue growth is going to go through the roof, go to the moon. So they've already hit the 5 million user mark. This is a benchmark and used in the social media space to show success. So they've hit that number of 5 million users, which is absolutely huge. And I think there is potential for continued growth. The more users, the more valuable Hello Pal is going to be. The social media stocks are valued based on the amount of users, the amount of potential revenue, not necessarily how much revenue you have today, but how much revenue you could possibly have tomorrow. And I see Hello Pal as a possible takeover target, right? These other social media companies are giant goblins. They're Godzilla running through the street and they eat all the small little social media companies that are coming to market. And that is great for these small social media companies because these big Goliath, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, right? They are willing to buy these companies for more than they would trade on the open market for. So if Hello Pal is indeed bought by a bigger company, the bigger company would probably be paying more than market value, which would be really good for the shareholders. The Rona has hurt most companies out there, but with social media companies like Hello Pal, they've actually seen an increase in growth. So they came to market with this new social media platform right in time, and they experienced massive growth during the quarantine. How much growth did they experience? 900% revenue growth in 2020. That is absolutely massive growth. We love to see those growth numbers. As a growth stock investor myself, those 900% numbers are what we're looking for when we're trying to make a decision whether the company is a green light or a red light. They are also a Bitcoin play. So not only do you have the social media aspect of the company, they're also getting into crypto and trying to make crypto mining kind of like a social media platform. I find this very interesting as well. So they got a big warehouse with a bunch of miners in the warehouse. They break those up into fractional shares on their mining platform, so you don't have to go out and buy all the equipment yourself. You can rent fractional shares of these mining machines. So let's say your name is Timmy. You got this fractional share of this mining machine, and maybe your brother Jimbo has the other fractional share of that mining machine. You can log on to the app, check how your mining is doing. Very, very interesting, especially in the recent surge in the crypto space. All right, let's take a quick look at this chart here. Look at this chart. This thing has been stupid strong, going from, let's say, 3 cents a share back here in September of last year, all the way up to $1.85 in the last couple of weeks. So that is an absolutely huge move. How big of a move is that? Let's take a look and see. 4,528% move. Boom, it went to the moon. And if they continue to post those sales numbers like we saw last year, 900%, I think we can see more upside in this Hello Pal. All right, so we have support down here at 80 cents. We're coming into the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart. So it will be interesting to see if this stock rounds back out and test those recent highs at $1.85. We have some room, right? From the recent highs, if we retest those recent highs, we have about a 65% upside to those recent highs. And then from there, if it breaks out, we could see continued strength and continued upside. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the video. Very interesting new social media stock here, getting on the map. If you got something of value from the video, do me a solid and hit that like button for me. The like button's not our friend. If you want your 2 free stocks from Webull, there will be a link in the description. If you want my buy and sell alerts in real time, that will be the first link in the description. I love all of you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. And remember, $1,000 bracket challenge. I'll be setting it up tonight, and I will be disclosing the details in tomorrow's video. Until next time, peace.